In this video, we'll go through how to create an API key in Google AI Studio, step by step. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google AI Studio. Log in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says Get API Key. Click on it. This will open a new page. On the top right corner of this page, click on Create API Key. A small window will appear asking you to name your key. Type in a name that describes what you'll use it for, like Test Project or My App Key. Below the name field, you'll see a section where you need to select your project. Click on it, pick the project you want to use, and then click the Create Key button. Google AI Studio will now create your new API key. Once it's generated, you'll see it on the screen. Copy the key and keep it somewhere safe, because you'll need it to connect your app or tool with Google's AI services. That's all you need to do to create an API key in Google AI Studio. Thanks for watching.